Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies packaging using easy methods. First, let's consider the purpose of your packaging. Are these for a gift, a bake sale, or just for storage? Understanding this helps you choose the right materials. We'll focus on keeping your cookies fresh and presentable, ensuring they arrive perfectly. Get ready to transform your homemade treats into beautifully packaged delights with minimal effort. To begin, you'll need a few basic supplies. Clear cellophane bags are excellent for individual cookies or small stacks, keeping them fresh. Small, sturdy gift boxes provide protection and a professional look. Don't forget some decorative ribbon or twine to add a touch of charm. Food-safe parchment paper or tissue is crucial for cushioning and preventing cookies from sticking together, ensuring they look their best. Now, let's assemble your cookie packages. Ensure your cookies are completely cooled before handling to prevent condensation. Carefully place 1 or 2 cookies into a cellophane bag, then seal it to maintain freshness. Next, line your gift box with a piece of parchment paper for an extra layer of protection. Arrange the bagged cookies neatly inside, then close the box. Finish by tying a beautiful ribbon around it and adding your custom tag. For those extra special touches, consider adding a small, handwritten note inside the package. This personal gesture truly elevates your gift. You can also incorporate natural elements like a sprig of rosemary, a dried orange slice, or a cinnamon stick for a rustic and aromatic appeal. These small details make a big impact. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed while baking and beyond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.